Like, I've got friends who live in America, and they tell us that Garth Brooks isn't that popular in America, well, I mean, compared to outside of America.
He's huge here, and to try and understand, and I asked this question, why do the Irish love Garth Brooks so much? I think it's something to do with, as soon as you get past the M50, as soon as you get past Virgin Media, and you get into Meath or Cavan, and you put the cassette tape, or now it's all digitalised, and you put on a bit of Garth, it just sounds so good. I think country music in rural Ireland, it just works, like the way we love Dukes of Hazzard, well, I love Dukes of Hazzard, and Dallas. And there's some sort of connection there. And also, I heard that, you know, there's a little bit of traditional Irish music buried some there in that country music.
Oh, there
and
certainly is.
That could be something to do with it too.
There certainly is,
but you love country, don't you?
I don't.
You don't?
I genuinely
like,
don't.
I'm not going to ask you that question because I don't know if you do. But I know
I'm from way west of the M50. Yeah, go on.
If he was playing in my back garden, I'd pull the curtains.
Really?
Yeah, and call the guards.
And you'd get double glazing. Really?
Yeah. I wouldn't be a fan.
But like, I think something like 1 in 10 Irish people are going to this gig.
Yes.
Well, and you know, including children, you name it.
Yeah.
Like, he sold, what was it, 380,000 tickets or 400,000 tickets? Like, he is a phenomenon.
He is
a phenomenon.
phenomenon.
I know I don't want to go back to the Mexican ambassador because we've passed all that, the stuff that happened back in 2014. It was 5 gigs or nothing. We've moved on from that. And I've actually forgiven him, and I told him that.
Have you?
I've forgiven him for that.
And how did he feel when you told him?
I did. I got to put that to him when I met him, and I asked him that.
Yes.
And he said, you know, what is forgiveness? And I've moved on.
It became an existential, philosophical conversation.
But, you know, I know not everyone loves Garth Brooks. I get that.
Yes.
But, you know, he's a huge star, very charismatic, and, you know, and you've got to respect the man. He sold, I think it's 170 million records.
He speaks very highly of you as well, Henry.
Yeah. And I didn't even get to meet him. I was looking for him. He was hiding from me out in Nashville.
Henry's Garth Brooks shows are airing on News Talk from next Monday.
Yeah, from next Monday. And we're going to be doing some gun culture this week. But next Monday, we're going to go big on Garth and big on country. Can I go Yahoo? Can I say Yahoo?
Do it.
Yeah, I'm just backing you up here.
There you go. Or howdy. I'm going to do howdy.
It works for us.
Howdy.
Y'all. Okay.
Those 5 gigs at Croke Park are starting.
Are you counting the sleeps?
I am. I absolutely, I am. And I actually went out to Music City. I went out with News Talk to Nashville to experience country.
What was that like?
How do I describe it? It was a bit like Vegas, but instead of gambling, it was music.
Yeah.
I got to see Chris Isaak live, which was brilliant in the Grand Opry. I got to tour Broadway. I got to line dance. I got to meet John Wayne's granddaughter, and I even, you know, had a look under the bonnet, or, you know, as they would say bonnet over there, wouldn't they? And
hood. They say hood, don't they? Under the hood.
And I had a look at gun culture and there, you know, everything about guns. So
this wasn't just your holidays. Now this was
work. It was research. We were trying to understand the man behind country by going to perhaps the birth of country music, which is Nashville.